Hello friends, welcome to my channel English Buddy by Pari. Today we are going to learn Indian foods English names. So let's start. Jalebi, Indian funnel cake, Indian funnel cake, Indian funnel cake. Samosa, risol, risol, risol. Pulao, pilaf, pilaf, pilaf. Pani puri, water balls, water balls, water balls. Ghee, clarified butter, clarified butter, clarified butter. Medu vada, savory donut, savory donut, savory donut. Paneer, cottage cheese, cottage cheese, cottage cheese. Achar, pickle, pickle, pickle. Idli, rice cake, rice cake, rice cake. Paratha, flat bread, flat bread, flat bread. Halwa, pudding, pudding, pudding. Chach, buttermilk, buttermilk, buttermilk. Pakode, fritters, fritters, fritters. Chutney, dip, dip, dip. Tikki, cutlet, cutlet, cutlet. Poha, flattened rice, flattened rice, flattened rice. Raita, mixed vegetables in curd, mixed vegetables in curd, mixed vegetables in curd. Roti, puffed bread, puffed bread, puffed bread. Dahi, curd, curd, curd. Meetha dahi, yogurt, yogurt, yogurt. Salad, 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 salad. Papad, popadum, popadum, popadum. Lassi, churned curd, churned curd, churned curd. Tel, oil, oil, oil. Bharta, puree, puree, puree. Uttapam, rice pancake, rice pancake, rice pancake. Khichdi, hodgepodge, hodgepodge, hodgepodge. Ras, juice, juice, juice. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow us on Instagram. Thank you.